Hello kids, come right along. Let's count with vehicles in a fun song. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Kiddos in Toonland where learning is sweet. One little car goes beep, 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 driving down the road so neat. Zoom so fast, then slow it down. One red car goes round the town. Two fast bikes go ring, ring, ring. Hear the happy bell they sing. Pedal, pedal, here we go. Two bikes riding nice and slow. Three long trains go chug, 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 rolling on the tracks. Hug, 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 smoke goes up into the sky. Three trains rumble, rolling by. Four big tractors rumble loud, working hard and feeling proud. Dig and pull across the land. Four tractors strong and grand. Five bright planes go whoosh, 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 flying high with a speedy swoosh. Up above the clouds so blue, five planes wave and fly to you. Great job counting 1 to 5. You made all the numbers come alive. If you love this counting ride, like, share, and subscribe with pride. Tap the bell and sing along soon with kiddos in Toonland.